Hi, I'm Wayne Buchanan with Hardi North America, and we're happy to introduce the Hardi Presidio. So we're proud to show the Presidio, which is the smaller of the two models that we're going to be offering in the future. The Cerrator is the larger at 1,300 and 1,100 gallons, up to 132 feet. But the Presidio is an entry-level machine that we feel many of our current trailer operators will be interested in getting into the self-propelled area. The Presidio is powered by a 173 horsepower Deutz engine. It's liquid cooled, and we have a Rexroth powertrain, fluid powertrain, hydrostatic, and the business part of the sprayer is a 700-gallon fluid tank and an 80-foot or 90-foot Eagle boom. The thing that we think is going to be appealing about the Presidio is that our current customers will find it very familiar, as many of the components are similar to our Navigator series line, but they're mounted on a powertrain. As I said, many of the features on the Presidio are familiar with our current Navigator trailer owners. The first being the smart valve system. We have the blue color coating on suction side and the green color coating on the pressure side of the pump. Very easy to select the features, whether it be chemical filling or field position or doing a tank rinse. We're using the tried and proven pressure regulation valve that's currently used on our Navigator series sprayers. The turbo filler that is currently used on our Navigator series sprayers for loading chemical into the machine as well. It's accessible through the swing-away ladder, and the chemical filler can be lowered for easy access from the ground. Filtration is accomplished through our Cyclone filter, again a tried and proven filtration system on our Commander, Navigator, and Ranger series. The operator's area is accessed at the top of the ladder through the rear left corner of the cab, and it's easily accessed past the swing-away seat, and then the steering column is completely adjustable to the operator's comfort. Rate control is accomplished through our HC9500, which is manufactured for Hardi by Ag Leader. It's an Ag Leader Integra system, and it can be equipped with the Ag Leader steering system as well. The Presidio is isobus, so should the operator have a preference for the rate controller manufacturer of his choice, he is totally capable of doing that so long as it's ISO-compatible virtual terminal. It is a 3-speed hydrostatic drive, and in road gear it is operated very similar to an automatic transmission in a car. It's simply push the accelerator and you'll roll down the road, release the accelerator, and it will decrease speed. The Presidio has an air ride suspension, and this is accomplished through two air ride springs, front and rear. And they're regulated through these leveling valves on the front and the rear of the machine. The thing that's a bit unique about the Presidio is that the rear axle is the oscillating axle rather than the front axle, which provides much better platform for the boom suspension to operate in. One of the unique things I've found about the Presidio and operating it, as the hydrostatic lever is pushed forward, the Presidio actually leans into the direction of travel, so we have very good control if we get fluid movement in the tank, so that the sprayer maintains level at all times. One of the biggest items on the Presidio that current operators will recognize is the Eagle Boom suspension. We have a 7-point suspension system on the Eagle Boom that is unparalleled in the industry. The 7-point suspension system incorporates 2 parallel linkages which maintain lateral suspension, and 2 coil springs with this broken back design top bar, and the seventh point of the suspension system always maintains 50% of the load on each spring. So what it results in is an unparalleled ride for a sprayer boom. And when we couple that with the air ride suspension, it means that the operator is going to be able to make good time in the field during a sprayer operation. The Eagle boom on the Presidio incorporates our new T25 Fluid System, which is a 25 millimeter diameter fluid system. It's newly designed with all the seals on the outside of the boom tube, which gives a full 25 millimeter profile in the boom tube with no reduction or restriction of flow in the boom tubes. Again, allowing for maximum flow to the boom. We can also add on the optional pentalet system in place of our traditional triplet system if the operator should need to carry 5 nozzles rather than just 3. The Presidio is currently offering the ACE 650 centrifugal pump, which incorporates the Oasis seal technology, which means that this pump can run dry. It's very high capacity. I experienced last month operating this unit in the field up to 118 pounds pressure at very high rate of flow. The centrifugal pump can be adjusted for maximum output or reduced to accommodate lower application rates as well.
This video is brought to you by Farms.com.